Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to make wires show red nodes in an EasyEDA schematic. Red nodes are really important because they clearly indicate electrical connections between wires, making the circuit logic easy to understand at a glance. It's actually quite simple. When you are drawing a wires and come across a crossing point where a connection should be made, just pause briefly at that intersection, and a red node will automatically appear. One thing to be careful about, a red node only appears if the wire is actually connected. If there's no red node, it means the wires aren't connected, which is like a phantom short or floating connection in your schematic and can easily cause problems in the circuit. So make sure to carefully check each intersection and confirm that the red nodes appear wherever they are supposed to. Overall, this little trick makes the electric connection in your schematic much clearer, improves your efficiency in analyzing and designing circuits, and helps prevent potential connection errors.